So I'm working on this Python project which lets you read and analyze CT scans and MRI scans. Each CT scan is a collection of slides. So each scan may have 40 slides, 50 slides, or even a few hundred. It depends on the length of the scan. What this program does is read each scan data and be able to show individual slides as images, and it also does a 3D reconstruction of all the slides to give you a 3D model of the scan. So here we are loading the slides from one scan, which is about 121 images. You can see the individual slides. It's almost like seeing an X-ray. Each slide has metadata, which it can also show here. Then you can view all the slides as a grid. You can click on one image in the grid and it will go back to single view. Show MPI will do a multiplanar reconstruction to give you a 3D model. So this scan was of the head, and you can see the head being reconstructed, and you can rotate and zoom it. It's still a work in progress, but yeah, it looks good so far. So this program is in Python. The CT scan and MRI scan data is being handled using the PyDICOM library. The 3D visualizations are being done using the VTK library.